You are not my father. That's ethical acting. The real life, real acting. You are not my father. They're quite different. Other projects you dey shout. Who you dey shout for? Everybody wants to act. But the question is, can you act? What kind of actor are you? Which of you here can switch in these three ways, in these three characters? Anger, sadness, and happiness. Sometimes your facial expression just tells the message. There's something that you should think about that will draw that emotions to you. When you start seeing that you are doing something different, you know you're already becoming mad. What you know say no exist, don't do it. Before you act, first think. What are they do so? A right. That is always the best question. I tell people one thing: to become a good actor, always be an observant. Are you getting it? It is something in which you trigger the audience to feel it. I'm not emotional. Why do you think my audience will be emotional? As if like this, now I can't see you normal. I can't be like this. Ah, guy, I'll beat you. I'll beat you. You go here. So you understand? I'm going to kill this one. If I can't come like this now, when the guy forget level, if you do that, I'll took you. You don't mad. I got a lot of money crazy. That is following the place. That might will not just say, boy, this guy the crazy. You getting it? The emotions in which you should understand. Biometrics now is adding to your movement. Oh! My heart beats for you. Yet I come and I run and I hide from you.